everyone, welcome to Code Without Barriers Mentorship Circle. So I'm the mentor of one of the circle, one of the batch, and here I'll be mentoring on database design and management. And I'm happy to see you all here in this particular mentorship circle. So I'll be telling you what is the agenda of this 12 sessions. Okay, so I'll be walking you through this, and I'll tell you like what are the things which are expected from you and what you can expect from me. Okay, so this is the session one where we'll be introducing ourselves. I'll be introducing myself and let us get acquainted. What is your expectation, what you're doing, and your current skills you have, and what is you're expecting after completing this particular cohort. Okay. So the second session will be on what is data and why database matter. So you should understand what is data and what is a database, what is a relational data versus non-relational data, various tools which are used to design various databases like MySQL, Oracle, and also like diagrams to design those SQL and ER diagrams. And you will be understanding what is the real-time application of database, and also an overview of the tools. And next one is the data modeling and ER diagram. So you have to understand what is a table, what is a row, column, and what is a schema, and how these entities are connected with each other. You will be understanding the keys. There are various types of keys in database, but you will be primarily focusing on primary key, foreign key, and the constraints which are used in order to when we are developing, when you're creating any table. And you will be learning the entity relationship model, like one-to-one relationship, one-to-many, and everything. So you'll be understanding one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, many-to-many relationship, and the hands-on diagram, like how to create a ER diagram. And then this fourth session will be on the SQL basics part one, which is like what is a data type, how to create a table, how to create a constraint, and writing a first SQL command as well. The second session, that is the fifth session, will be on basic SQL part two, which is about the DDL, various types of languages like DDL, DML, those languages, and then you will be understanding how to write these basic queries as well. And then the session six is all about the aggregation and grouping. Session seven is understanding the joins, because this is very important, like how you will be creating an inner join, left join, right join, types of joins, and then you will be merging these things in with the real world data set. And then session 8 will be normalization. Okay, so what is first three normal forms? And then session 9 will be SQL versus no SQL. So session 9 will be completely a theoretical one where you will be doing some case studies or assignments on this. And then session 10 is actually, I'll be telling you how you can just go ahead and develop this, try to develop this. This is completely, you have to try this, okay? And the session 11 is on SQL for data analytics, like what is the real world analytical queries and the connecting SQL with Power BI. And finally, session 12 will be on career launchpad, interview resume and tips. So what I'm expecting from you by the end of this course is what you have to complete these two assessments, okay, that will be posted through Google Classroom, and you will have two assignments. As I told, your first assignment will be on this data modeling and ER diagram, and the second assignment will be on the use cases and mini project. And you have to complete the assessment. All these activities will be posted through Classroom. I hope you might have already received the Classroom link. If you haven't received it, please just let me know. And if you have any questions, you can very well comment it in the Google Classroom itself, or else you can comment through the WhatsApp. So you might have added through the WhatsApp group, or else there will be like every week whenever we are starting that particular week, we will have a session. We will be connecting with each other. So you can just ask me questions through the sessions itself. So anything is fine. And if you want to be connected with me, so this is my LinkedIn handle, so you can just click here and follow me. And this is my YouTube handle. I'll be posting a lot of videos about this database and everything. You can just join this particular YouTube channel, as well as this is my blog where I'll be updating everything in this blog, so you can just watch it here as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, let's just meet in the next session. So the next topic, like what is the data and why database matters, I'll be writing a blog for that as well. And also I'll be creating a video and posting it in the channel, so you can just go ahead and watch it. So let us meet in the next session, probably about what is data and why data matter. Before that, I would request you to just go through all this content and come to the session to ask the doubt. So the sessions will not be like theoretical or lecturer based sessions. It will be like you have to understand, read it, you have to do the self study and come with the questions which you have. For example, this what is data? I'll be posting this by within 2 or 3 days, where you have to just go through, understand what is this, and then if you have any questions, you can just come ahead and come to me and ask me about it. So this is how it will be. So if for each and every session, I'll be posting it. You have to just check, try it, and come back. Okay. So if you have any questions, post it in the Google Classroom. Thank you. Take care. We will meet soon.